In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Microsoft Planner. If you're managing work with a team, assigning tasks properly is one of the easiest ways to keep everyone aligned and make sure responsibilities are clear. Microsoft Planner makes this process very straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open your plan in Microsoft Planner and locate the task you want to assign. From the board view, find the specific task card you need. Then select the task to open its details. This is important because the assignment options appear inside the task itself, not just from the general board overview. Opening the task also gives you access to other useful information like due dates, notes, and progress, so it's a good habit to review the task details before assigning it. Once the task is open, look for the Assign to field. Click on Assign To so Microsoft Planner knows you want to add a person responsible for that task. This field is where you connect the task to a team member, which helps create accountability and makes it easier for everyone to see who owns what. If you're working in a shared plan, this is especially useful because it reduces confusion and keeps work from being overlooked. After you click into the assignment field, type the name of the person you want to assign the task to. As you begin typing, Planner will usually suggest matching names, which can help you quickly find the right person. Select the correct name from the list to assign the task. Be sure to choose carefully, especially if your organization has team members with similar names. And that's it. The task is now assigned in Microsoft Planner. This makes it easier for the assigned person to identify their responsibilities, and it helps the whole team stay organized. As a quick tip, after assigning a task, it's often helpful to double check the task details to make sure everything else is complete, such as the title, deadline, or any supporting notes. Even though assigning the task is simple, pairing it with clear task information makes collaboration much smoother. So, to recap, you open the task, click Assign To, and type the person's name. That's the basic process for assigning tasks in Microsoft Planner, and it's a simple but powerful way to keep your projects moving forward efficiently.